Have you ever wondered what the future truly looks like? Is it flying cars? Cities in the clouds? Or is it something far more fundamental, something happening right now, woven into the very fabric of our world? Look closely. The next great leap for humanity isn't just happening on our screens. It's stepping off them. This is the story of the physical AI revolution, where the boundless mind of artificial intelligence is finally getting a body. For decades, AI has been a digital ghost. A powerful brain living in servers and data centers, capable of incredible feats of calculation and creativity. But now that ghost is getting a shell. We're witnessing the birth of a new species of machine, one that can see, touch, and interact with our world. This isn't science fiction anymore. This is the dawn of physical intelligence, where digital neural networks are fused with advanced mechanical hardware, creating something entirely new. It's a revolution set to redefine everything we know about work, productivity, and even what it means to be human. At the forefront of this new age are the humanoid robots, machines built in our own image. Take a look at Tesla's Optimus. It's not just a collection of gears and wires. It's a learning entity. We've all seen the videos of Optimus walking with an increasingly steady gait, performing squats, and even folding a t-shirt. While it might seem simple, this is a monumental achievement. It requires an incredible synthesis of balance, spatial awareness, and fine motor control, all orchestrated by its advanced AI brain. Each step, each movement, is a testament to how quickly these systems are evolving. Then there's Figure 01. From the innovators at Figure AI, this robot is already demonstrating capabilities that were once thought to be decades away. Watch as it handles a delicate egg without cracking it. A task that requires a sense of touch and pressure feedback that's astonishingly human-like. In another demonstration, it's sorting items with precision and speed, learning from its observations and adapting its strategy in real time. These aren't pre-programmed, repetitive motions. This is an eye in action, perceiving the world through cameras, processing the information, and deciding on the best course of action. It's learning just like we do. These robots are not just tools. They are becoming partners. But the revolution extends far beyond humanoid forms. Step into the world of the modern smart factory, and you'll feel like you've entered a symphony of automation. Here, the revolution is already in full swing. Imagine a warehouse the size of a city, where thousands of autonomous mobile robots glide across the floor in a perfectly choreographed dance. They retrieve goods, transport them to packing stations, and organize inventory with relentless efficiency. There are no collisions, no wasted movements, just a constant, harmonious flow of activity, 24/7. High-speed industrial arms, powered by sophisticated vision systems, assemble complex products with a level of precision that a human hand could never consistently achieve. They weld, they paint, they package all while communicating with each other to optimize the entire production line. This isn't just about replacing manual labor. It's about creating a system that is smarter, faster, and more resilient than anything that came before it. This synchronized harmony is the engine of modern industry, a powerful example of what happens when physical AI is deployed at scale. It's a quiet but profound transformation happening behind the scenes, powering the global economy and making the products we use every day more accessible and affordable. So where is all of this heading? What does a world fully integrated with physical AI look like? The vision is both breathtaking and deeply practical. In our daily lives, imagine robots assisting the elderly, providing companionship and helping with household chores, allowing them to live independently for longer. Picture them taking on the most dangerous and physically demanding jobs, from disaster relief in hazardous environments to construction on towering skyscrapers, making work safer for everyone. They could be the farmers of the future, tending to crops with precision to ensure food security for a growing global population. On a larger scale, this revolution holds the key to solving one of the most pressing challenges of our time: labor shortages. As populations in many developed nations age, there simply aren't enough people to fill essential roles. Physical AI can bridge this gap. In factories and logistics centers, they will supercharge our productivity, allowing us to build and deliver goods faster than ever before. In exploration, they will be our proxies, venturing into the deepest oceans and the furthest reaches of space, places too dangerous for humans to go. This isn't a future where robots replace us, but one where they augment our abilities, freeing up human potential to focus on creativity, innovation, and solving even bigger problems. It's a future of abundance, not scarcity. We stand at a unique moment in history, on the cusp of a new era of collaboration. This is not a story of man versus machine. It is a story of man and machine working together, our ingenuity combined with their precision, our creativity paired with their endurance. The image of a human hand and a robotic hand reaching for each other is no longer just a symbol. It's our reality. We are the architects of this new world, and the potential is limitless. This physical AI revolution is not just about building smarter machines. It's about building a better, more capable, and more prosperous future for all of humanity. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey into the future. If you were as amazed by this as we are, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next exploration into the technologies that are changing our world. Let us know in the comments what part of the physical AI revolution excites you the most. Thanks for watching.